Dear students, now this is SJF preemptive scheduling. SJF preemptive, here shortest job first and preemptive. Preemptive means we will preempt some processes if other process of shorter job will come at that time. Okay, it is also called as shortest remaining time first, that is SRTF. SRTF, shortest remaining time first. So for preemptive scheduling, keep in mind, for preemptive scheduling you need to keep ready queue. Okay, you need to maintain a ready queue along with Gantt chart, because we will be preempting the processes. Okay, now as the criteria of shortest job first is to check whether any shortest process is available to run. So out of this P1, P2, P3, P4, for finding shorter process we check for burst time. So which process has the shortest burst time? It is P2, having 4. But along with this we have to check if P2 is ready to run at time 0, because Gantt chart starts from 0. So we'll check P2 will be ready at 1. So we cannot schedule here P2 even though it is having shorter job. So regardless of anything, at 0 we will schedule only P1. But we will not complete P1, because see, at 0 we will start P1, but as it is preemptive scheduling, after every one interval of time we have to check whether a new process is coming, and if that new process is having shorter waiting time than currently executing process, then we will preempt the currently executing process and we go for the new process, right? So run P1, run up to only 1 unit of time. Okay, why? Because at 1 new process is arriving, which is P2, and check P2's running time is 4. Okay, P2 running time is 4, which is less than our P1's running time. So how many units of P1 already executed? 1. So 7 units are remaining, so you can write here 7, and we need to keep it in the ready queue. So P1, 7 units are remaining, and ready queue atoms are inserted from here and will be out from here. From front they are out. Okay, so now go to the ready queue. How many processes are there in ready queue? This P1 with 7 unit of time. Okay, how many are ready at 1 unit of time? P1 and P2. So P2 is having how much time? P2 is having 4 unit of time. Okay, so out of, now check schedule P2 here in the Gantt chart. P2 is scheduled. P2 will be executed up to 1 unit of time, that is up to 2, and will be checked if any new process is coming. Yes, at 2 new processes coming, but its burst time is more than P2, so we will continue running P2 at 3. So at 3 check if new process is coming. Yes, that is P4, but the running time of P4 is, that is the burst time of P4 is 5, which is more than our P2, so we will continue running this P2. Okay, so P2 will be continuously running, having how many units of time? 4. So from 1 to 5 your P2 only will run. So your P2 completed. Okay, so P2 hour completed. Then next, how many processes are ready at time 5? See, 5 at time 5 your P3 is ready with how much time? 9 units of time, and then P4 is also ready. So we have to make entry of them in your ready queue. P4 with 5 units of time is ready. Right? Then check which is the shortest process among this ready queue. P4. P4 is the shortest process. So execute P4 completely. So we will execute P4 here up to 5 units, that is the 10. Then which is shortest? P1. So schedule P1 here. How much time? 7. So 7 that is equal to 17. And last process, that is P3 is remaining. So P3 execute all the 9 units. So it will be 26. So this way our schedule is there for SJF preemptive. Now check the completion times for every process. So P1, for P1 1 unit was executed at the initially, but it waited and it executed and completed at 17. So for P1 the scheduling that is completion time is 17, right? So for P2 the completion time is, from chart itself you will get it. So for P2 it is 5. For P3 the completion time is 26, and for P4 the completion time is 10. Then find out the turnaround time. So for P1 the turnaround time was 17 minus arrival time 0, so it is equal to 17. For P2 it is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. For P3 it is 26 minus arrival time is 2, that is 24. And for P4 is 10 minus 3, arrival time was 3, so is equal to 7. Then find waiting time for P1. So P1 waiting time, turnaround time, that is 17 minus burst time, that is 7, is equal to 10. Burst time initially was 8, so it will be 17 minus the original burst time, that is 8, so it's equal to 9. Here it is 4 minus burst time 4, so is equal to 0. Here 24 minus 9 is equal to 15, and last P4 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So these are the waiting times. So add all the waiting times. So if you add, it is equal to 9 plus 0 plus 15 plus 2 divided by 4. Okay, so that is equal to 27 divided by 4. Okay, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 plus 9 is 26, 26 divided by 4, 26 divided by 4, that is equal to 6.5. So average waiting time will be 6.5 for this schedule. Hope you understood this SJF preemptive scheduling. It is also called as shortest remaining time first. Thank you.